conference. We are in the presence of our dear Spartan ambassadors, foreign racers, friends from the media, and some brand partners that we have that will be also joining us on our November 8 to 9 event at Alvira, Cora, Pampanga. To formally open this press conference, like we invite Spartan Race Philippines General Manager for our opening remarks. Spartan Race Philippines General Manager Mark Lawrence Celis.
Alright, so first off, thank you everyone for joining us today. Friends from the media, partners, ambassadors, Spartans. Welcome to a historic moment for our community and our nation. This coming November 7 to 9 at Alvira Pora in Pampanga, we will transform into the battleground for the Spartan Race Asia Pacific Championship. Our first time hosting an international delegation right here in the Philippines. This is where the best elite and age group athletes across the APAC region will push their limits, face relentless obstacles, and battle for glory, and a total cash prize of 800,000 pesos for the 21K Beast Elite Podium Placers. Ayan, lipat daw. But this weekend, it's also for every Spartan at every level. We will have our 50-kilometer ultra, our 10-kilometer super, our 5-kilometer sprint, and of course, our Spartan Kids race. Obstacle course racing is a test of grit, will, and unbreakable spirit. It's about overcoming barriers, both physical and mental, and transforming challenges into personal triumphs. At this point, I'd like to take this opportunity also to highlight some of our amazing partners that made our 2025 extra special. Of course, we have the Department of Tourism, the Office of Film and Sports Tourism. This collaboration fuels the Spartan spirit across the nation, empowering individuals to push beyond limits while putting the Philippines front and center on the global stage of athletic excellence and shared triumph. Of course, we have our partner, POSF, for strengthening our commitment to building a powerful, inclusive community. We have our partner, our official venue partner, Alvira Ayala Land Premier for the 2025 APAC Championship, creating the perfect arena for warriors of all ages and skills to push beyond their limit and conquer new challenges. Merrell Philippines, our event partner and presenting partner for trail, for igniting the spirit of adventure and resilience among athletes across every trail and terrain. Sip Mineral Water, our official hydration that fuels every warrior's journey. Sip Plus, our official electrolyte drink partner, fueling every Spartan with hydration and energy needed to conquer all the obstacles. Of course, our dear partners from Mang Inasal for fueling the heart and soul of every race by nourishing our unstoppable staff, dedicated volunteers, and fierce athletes with their wholesome, satisfying meals. Salon Pass, our event partner for pain relief. Breeze Detergent, our event partner, standing alongside every Spartan who dives headfirst into the mud, sweat, and grit of the race. And our newest partner for APAC Champs, Predator Badlands, providing an extra kick to our already exciting weekend. Spartan Race isn't just an event. It's a worldwide movement united by resilience, courage, and the relentless drive to rise above. Together, we're not just crossing finish lines, we are forging a community where every story, every struggle, and every victory inspires others to begin their own Spartan journey. Get ready to rise, push harder, and own your story this 2025. Aru.